I'm Sian and I'm the head chef of the Lamb Tavern in Leaden Hall Market. My chefing journey began 6 years ago at the King's Head, Roehampton, and since then I've been head chef of the Queen Adelaide and most recently the Lamb Tavern. The Lamb Tavern's mainly known for the historical market that has been there for hundreds of years, so we sort of profile really classic, nostalgic British food, all freshly made every day. My journey into being a chef definitely started with Young's. Like I said, I started front of house and genuinely thought that would be the path I'd stick on, but one of the head chefs I worked with in Cock Tavern and Green Man, Martin, he was just an inspiration to me, and he made cooking look so fun and so enjoyable. So today I'll be making a lamb Wellington. It will be served with a secondary cut of the lamb rump. The lamb is the Welsh Salt Marsh Lamb rack that will be served up with the broad beans and peas, just really simply, really seasonal. And then topped off with a lamb fat and red wine jus.